I finally mastered the secret recipe from a famous street vendor, and it is a total game changer. First, toast 200 grams of flour, 20 grams of cocoa, 20 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of yeast into a bowl. Splash in 2 eggs for 200 ml of milk and whisk that batter until it's silky smooth. Let it rise until double, then stir out those bubbles. Pour it into a cold pan loaded with Oreo crumbles and cook on low heat. Drop in those chocolate squares, fold it and watch it melt. Pure chocolate heaven, you need to try this.